Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Anurag. Today we will be continuing with our Python series. So today's topic is loops. And in loops, we will be particularly looking with for loop in this video. We will continue with while loop in the next video. Okay. So let us understand what is loops. So loops can be defined as if we want to repeat a certain set of instructions, we can use loops. I guess this definition is not up to the mark. Okay. So I can say a loop in programming is a way to repeat a set of instructions multiple times until a condition is met. So I don't know if it will be satisfied with this definition. We will just proceed to the code. Okay. So I will just open a new file and will name it loops and for loops to be more specific. And I will, so for example, if we have to print hello, okay, so I can write hello. But my question is if we want to print hello 5 times, okay, so what we will do, we will just write print hello in caps, okay, and then I will just copy it and then one more time, okay. So I have written print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written print 5 times, okay, and control S. I will write for loop and I will just run the code, run module. So you can see I have to write 5 times hello to print 5 times, okay. So I can say that if I have to just print the statement, okay, then I can use loops. So let's just see that if I put 3 commas, I can comment the above code, okay. So I will just write for I in range. I will write 6. So I will just write the code, then I will explain how and what I have written. Okay. Print hello. Control S. Run module. As you can see, with just 2 lines of code, I am able to achieve the same output. Okay. So for looping, there are two types, for loop and while loop. In this video, we will be looking with the for loop. Okay. So here in the for syntax, I have written the keyword for, then I have used a variable I, and I have also given a range which has a value of 6. So I have written 6, but still it just prints 5 times because the number which is given in the range is excluded. So if I write 5, it will be printed 4 times. If I write 7, it will be printing 6 times. Okay. So in Python, when a for loop is defined, there can be 3 ways to define a for loop. Okay. So first, if I am saying just giving one value, then it will take as a final range. In this current example, for example, if I write like, I guess I should go with another example that will be more easy to understand. Okay. For example, I just want to print numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. So I am writing two values this time. Okay. 1 comma 11. So the first number will be the starting number and the second number will be the ending number which will be excluded. And I will write just print I. Okay. Control S. Run command. Run module. As you can see, I am able to achieve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers which I have already expected. So the third way to write a for loop is by adding one more value. For example, 2. So what does this mean? In this for loop, I have given 3 values in range. The first is the starting index, the second is the ending index, ending number to be more precise, and the third value is the difference which will be using to print the values. So I've given 2. So the output will be 1, 3, 5, 7 will be all the odd numbers. Okay, let's just see the code. Run, run module. As you can see, I am able to get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 because the loop will just run till 10. Okay, and 10 is doesn't come with the difference of 2, so it will just stop by 9. I hope the all three examples which I have shown in this video are clear. So if you have any difficulty, just comment below the video and I will see you with the while in the next video. Thanks for watching.